Hi there, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel NFT Roshan. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel. Let's begin with the video. Today I'm going to tell you about GMG.club. Leading the Web 4 era, reshaping the intelligent value internet, GMG.ai integrates AI agent, intelligent finance, global payments, and an open ecosystem to build next generation Web 4 intelligent value network infrastructures. Web 4 infrastructure, AI X Finance X Global. We have various options in the header section about ecosystem advantages, tokenomics, team, roadmap, and you can select your language. You can join it now. I'll tell you about each and every option. Be with me till the end of the video. We have $50 million strategic financing, $80 million ecosystem liquidity pool, and 100 million plus shared Binance user pool. Strategic partners are Binance, BitGet, Bybit, Visa, PancakeSwap, and ENI Chain. A Web4 era pioneer. From the Internet of Information to the Internet of Value, GMG AI is defining next generation infrastructure standards and reshaping global value flows. Web 1 static information display portals, Web 2 social and interactive platforms, Web 3 digital asset ownership, while Web 4 AI network native autonomy with AI agent autonomous economy. $3.5 trillion AI fintech market by 2030, while CAGR industry CAGR 23%, $1.2 trillion of AI distributed computing market, while more than or equal to $5 trillion GMG AI addressable market. Let AI create real value, let value flow freely, enable sustainable ecosystem growth. Here is the Web 4 core ecosystem sectors. Technology drives finance, finance feeds technology, traffic empowers the ecosystem, and the ecosystem create value. AI plus prediction Oracle platform core capability, a world first 3-in-1 prediction system. Sector 2 encrypted communication ecosystem Sona core capabilities self-developed full feature encrypted social platform. Sector 3 AI assistant matrix core capability is AI life assistant, AI strategy analysis, full scenario intelligence services. While Sector 4 AI quant copy trading system core capabilities are real on-chain data, monthly GLO 30 to 50%. Sector 5 self-developed VPN network core capability is global node acceleration and privacy protection. Sector 6 AG game on-chain gaming platform core capability is integrated on-chain gaming ecosystem with multi-chain support, while Sector 7 global payment system core capability is Quillian Black Card Visa Global Payments. Support for 175 flat currencies, the global financial infrastructure of our Web 4 era. All sectors work in deep synergy to create a closed loop system where technology drives finance, finance feeds technology, traffic empowers the ecosystem, and the ecosystem creates value. 7 core competitive advantages defining industry standards, building defense modes, world's first exclusive channel, top tier compliance. One is Web4 native pioneer, second, full stack self developed AI, third, exclusive Binance strategic cooperation, four, full chain closed loop ecosystem, five, top team and capital support, six, multi region compliant operations, while the seven is global ecosystem layout. Four operating hubs across APAC, Europe and America, the Middle East and Latin America with multilingual localization and continuous global expansion. Here is the tokenomics of GMG. 1 billion total supply, initial at $1 hyper-deflationary model, one of Web3's most balanced economic models. Initial issue price is 1 USDT, minting pool 6.7 billion tokens with a 67%. Staking rewards 1.8 billion tokens, 18%. Market incentives 1 billion tokens, 10%. Market foundation 4800K tokens, 4.8%. Private placement 200K tokens with 2.2%. Right? 1 billion GMG total supply, minting pool 67%, staking rewards 18%, market incentives 10%, foundation 4.8%, while private is 0.2%. GMG token and cross-chain access are like AV liquidity pool, Bitcoin audit pool. Here's the token address. Here's the deflationary burn mechanism. Buy and burn 50%. Every purchase triggers direct burn for maximum deflation. Self-tax, sell-tax is 3%. Selling triggers burn with USDT entering the dividend pool. OTC transfer tax is 10%. Fully burn to limit of market circulation, profit tax 20%, directed into the dividend pool to form a positive cycle. Quillin staking tier system, you can see Guardian Quillin 30 days, Prosperity Quillin 60 days, Souvenir Quillin 180 days, and Genesis Imperial Quillin 360 days. Daily yield, you can see 0.8% per day for the basic, 1% for the Prosperity, 1.2% for the Sovereign, 1.5% for the Genesis. You can see 60% withdrawable instantly, 40% injected into the pool, and it's all the same. Reward allocation rules. Market opportunity $1 trillion market opportunity. GMG AI's addressable market exceeds $5 trillion, positioned at the forefront of a major cycle. $3.5 trillion AI fintech market size with 23% CRG up by 2030. $100 billion plus Web4 digital asset compliance services. $1.2 trillion AI distributed computing market, while less than or equal to 5 trillion GMG AI addressable market. Here's a strategic roadmap. Year 1, Year 2, Year 3. In Year 1, technical development, ecosystem validation. Year 2, global expansion, ecosystem takeoff, global expansion. Goal 10 million global users. In Year 3, industry leadership. Industry leadership, ecosystem peak, goal 50 million global users. Surpasses 50 million global users. Target a $10 billion ecosystem valuation. Initiate global strategic investment and M&A while build a Web4 ecosystem empire and shape the narrative. Here are the core target users, individual investors, institutions and projects, and ecosystem partners. The Web4 era has arrived with the $1 trillion blue ocean with GMG AI. Now, I'll tell you about GMG AI data center. Here's the GMG AI data center. You can see it right here: BTC, Ethereum, SPX, DXY, and the all other options as well. BTC slides to 63,976 as hawkish feed lifts SPX, but pressure is as you can read it right here. It's live, by the way. Next, we have GMG AI on X. Here is GMG AI on X. You can follow us on X, formerly known as Twitter, to get latest updates about it. We have Twitter, Telegram as well. Here's a Telegram community, open chat global community. You can join us on Telegram, gmg.ai global community. As well, we have number 4 on Sona. Okay, now Sona, here is Sona. You can see it right here. Sona, that's a social fi product on the GNG ecosystem. You can see crypto as easy as saying hello, a crypto wallet and an AI agent built into your chat. Say hello, send a gift, move money, all without leaving the conversation. Okay, next we have Quillin Black Card. Quillin Black Card. On-chain wealth, off-chain spend. We have Quillin Black Card, a crypto payment card co-issued with a licensed issuing bank partner and Visa, where on-chain wealth meets the everyday tab. You can apply now for your Quillin Black Card. Last but not the least, we have the one call. $1, one car, one word. Real prediction markets with real time consensus take a position on sports, crypto, and world events starting from $1. Okay, now I am going to tell you about the biggest tournament on earth called Every Match. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to tell you about pro.ave.ai. AVE US Stock Trading Championship is officially live. 5200 USDT up for the grabs. Event period June 11 to June 21. Universal airdrop. You can get this. Start experiencing. Here we can see GMG total info right here. Okay, so that it is the place where you can check the GMG token data, GMG token whole data. I already told you about it. 24-hour volume, sell, buy, the trading chart, the price chart live. You can get your own tokens as well from right here, pro.ave.ai. Now we have the scan.eniac.network. It is a place where you can check the burn and destruction of GMGAI. Here is the address details, balance, transactions, transfers, gets used, last updated balance. You can see it on right here. We can also put the GMG address right here. We can get the address. Here is our address. Let us put the address. Here is our GMG token. Here we can see. Here we can see. Here we go again. Okay, 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 okay. Let us refresh it. Let us refresh it. Here, basically, you can see the burn and restriction data for GMG token right here. Maximum total supply 1 billion GMG, holders 42,000, transfers 193k, while decimals 18. So that's the today's video. Hope you understand the video. If you understand the video, share the video with your friends. We'll meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.